How many meals did you eat yesterday? Have you answered the above question? Chances are that you actually ate far more frequently than you recall. The majority of us now pack several mini meals into our everyday, according to studies. And the longer we stay up, the more calories we consume. So if you are looking for ways to lose fat while sleeping, keep on watching, because today's video is about the 15 ways to lose fat while you're sleeping. Stay tuned. Before we continue, a like would be great. Number 1, try your sleep switch. Don't count sheep, eat lamb, or better yet, a bit of turkey. Tryptophan, an amino acid found in most meats, has demonstrated powerful sleep-inducing effects. A study published in the Journal of Nervous and Mental Disease among mild insomniacs found that just a quarter gram, about what you'll find in a skinless chicken drumstick or 3 ounces of lean turkey meat, was enough to increase hours of deep sleep significantly. And that can translate into easy weight loss. Any tryptophan-containing food, which includes nuts, chicken, fish, lentils, and eggs, can help usher in sleepyhead syndrome. If you're the type who can't sleep on an empty stomach, a healthy source of fat like avocado or nut butter can help stave off hunger, while providing restorative properties. Number 2, schedule tea time. There is something about the ritual of sitting down to a soothing cup of tea that tells your brain to slow down and relax. Some of the best teas for sleep are chamomile, peppermint, lavender, and valerian, which actually do have some sedative properties. Number 3, eat whole grains at lunch. You know to avoid big meals, coffee, colas, and alcohol before bed. But did you know that it's best to eat your complex carbohydrates at lunchtime, not with dinner? Serotonin converts to melatonin in your stage 3 REM sleep, and serotonin is sourced from whole grain complex carbohydrates. So you don't need to have carbs before bed to sleep. Just have them at some point through the day. Also, to meet your daily fiber goal, about 20 grams of insoluble fiber is important to enable you to sleep. So aim to eat that daily, and you'll ensure you can convert enough serotonin to sleep well. Number 4, if you eat at night, keep it small. While you shouldn't go to bed starving, that presents its own sleepy time problems. You also shouldn't hit the sack completely stuffed. When you eat a large meal before bed, your body is working to digest it long into the night. And if your body is still worked up, so are you. The later you fall asleep, the less rest you'll get, and you'll wake up feeling groggy and more likely to reach for calorie-dense items. Instead of eating a monster meal for dinner, try to keep portions about the same as your breakfast and lunch, especially if you eat dinner on the later side. You want to eat your last meal at least an hour or 2 before going to bed. Number 5, set strict kitchen hours. Nighttime fasting, aka closing the kitchen early, may help you lose more weight, even if you eat more food throughout the day, according to a study in the journal Cell Metabolism. Experiment with closing the kitchen at 8 p.m. and skipping breakfast. Number 6, try a protein shake. Having a protein shake before hitting the sack may boost your metabolism, according to one study. Researchers found that men who consumed an evening snack that included 30 grams of protein had a higher resting metabolic rate the next morning than when eating nothing. Protein is more thermogenic than carbs or fats, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. Use vegan protein powder, which will give you the same fat-burning, hunger-squelching, and muscle-building benefits, without the bloating that comes from whey. Number 7, relax with breathing, meditation, or stretching. Striking some poses before bed can have a powerful influence on sleep quality because of yoga's focus on breathing and meditation. Yoga offers a variety of benefits, from increased flexibility and strength to a calmer mind. It can calm the nervous system, release the shoulders and neck, and most importantly, allows you to focus inward, block out stress, and relax. Number 8, let in the cold. A striking new study published in the journal Diabetes suggests that simply blasting the air conditioner or turning down the heat in winter may help us attack belly fat while we sleep. Colder temperatures subtly enhance the effectiveness of our stores of brown fat. Fat keeps you warm by helping you burn through the fat stored in your belly. Participants spent a few weeks sleeping in bedrooms with varying temperatures: a neutral 75 degrees, a cool 66 degrees, and a balmy 81 degrees. After 4 weeks of sleeping at 66 degrees, the subjects had almost doubled their volumes of brown fat. And yes, that means they lost belly fat. Number 9, throw out the nightlight. Exposure to light at night doesn't just interrupt your chances of a great night's sleep. It may also result in weight gain, according to a new study. Study subjects who slept in the darkest rooms were 71% less likely to be obese than those sleeping in the lightest rooms. Number 10. Hide your gadgets. Research suggests that the more electronics we bring into the bedroom, the fatter we get, especially among children. A study in the Pediatric Obesity Journal found that kids who bask in the nighttime glow of a TV or computer don't get enough rest and suffer from poor lifestyle habits. Researchers found that students with access to one electronic device were 1.47 times as likely to be overweight as kids with no devices in the bedroom. That increased to 2.57 times for kids with 3 devices. Number 11. Turn off the TV. Did you know lean people watch less TV? A recent analysis of studies published in JAMA found that for every 2 hours spent watching TV, the risk of developing diabetes, developing heart disease, and early death increased by 20, 15, and 13% respectively. Scientists are still figuring out exactly why sitting is so detrimental to health. But one obvious and partial explanation is that the less we move, the less fuel we require. The surplus blood sugar floods the bloodstream and contributes to diabetes and other weight-related risks. Number 12. Blackout with blackout shades. Light-blocking curtains make a huge difference when it comes to falling asleep. Outside light makes it harder for your mind to shut down even if you think you're immune to such instinctive signals. Melatonin, the hormone involved in putting your body to sleep, is compromised when light is present. Darken your room so that going to bed even early feels natural. Number 13. Take a hot shower. If you normally bathe in the AM, listen up. A hot shower is great for ensuring a good night's sleep because it can help relieve tension and relax sore muscles. Additionally, it can increase the level of oxytocin, a love hormone released by your brain, which can be very soothing. The heat from the shower also gives your body temperature a lift, resulting in a quick drop in temp when you get out and towel off. A dip that helps relax your entire system. A hot bath will also have the same effect. Number 14. Skip the chocolate. Don't get us wrong, we love chocolate. In fact, any bar that contains at least 70% cacao is one of our favorite low-sugar snacks or desserts because of its high concentration of antioxidants and stress-busting abilities. Unfortunately, if eaten too late, that chocolate could be the reason you can't fall asleep. Dark chocolate contains caffeine, about 40 to 50 milligrams of caffeine per 40-gram serving, which can prevent your body from shutting down when you want it to if you're sensitive to the compound. Chocolate bars have varying amounts of caffeine, but an average 2-ounce, 70% dark chocolate bar contains around 79 milligrams. For reference, an 8-ounce cup of coffee contains around 145 milligrams. Number 15. Don't indulge in a nightcap. Wine is our favorite healthy alcoholic drink due to its resveratrol, a plant compound that has been linked to heart-healthy benefits. Although more research needs to be done, according to a review published in the journal Nutrients. However, that evening glass of wine is also considered a high-sugar beverage. Drinking too much can hinder your ability to snooze. It may feel like that nightly glass of wine is relaxing you and helping you fall asleep faster, but it actually prevents your body from fully indulging in its REM or rapid eye movement cycle, which is where truly restful sleep and dreaming occur. Enjoy a glass earlier in the night, about 2 hours before bedtime, to avoid sleep disruption. And close the home bar after 1 or 2 glasses tops. There's nothing better than easy weight loss while you're sleeping, but diet also plays a big role, especially when it comes to eggs. Click this video here to learn how to lose 20 pounds in 1 month with the new egg diet.